Hi everyone, you're welcome back to another video. My name is Adobe and this is African School of Elegance, where I talk about the beauty of Africa. Today's episode is for my elegant African ladies, and basically we are going to be discussing African hairstyle that are going out of trend. The first is the Afro hairstyle. So before I move further, if you're not subscribed, kindly join the phone, hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification so that anytime a new video goes up, you will be notified. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. The Afro hairstyle, I don't see it the way it was in the time past. This Afro hairstyle is just in general with all African countries. So first one is Amasunzu. This is typically worn by the Tutsi and Hutu people of Rwanda. The single young girls wore it as a symbol of virginity. However, this style depends strongly on body type, how tall you are, how slim you are. Your body type is going to enhance the style. It is styled into crescent shapes with contours. For me, I believe anybody can rock it. Then the next one is Bantu knots. Yeah. There was a time it was trending all over YouTube. People were doing Bantu knots. I think that's the easiest. All you do is just cut a strand of your hair, use thread to knot it, and then wrap it around the root of your hair, and voila, you are good to go. I've tried it on several occasions. It's the easiest hairstyle you can go for. Next one, ladies, is the Fulani braids. It's generally originated from Fulanis world over, and if you know the history of Fulanis, you know that they are sojourners, they are travelers, so they just make big hairstyles, something that they can rock and enjoy without so much stress, or something that they can easily loosen out. Super quick, super rich looking, and it also enhances your look. Beautiful for any face type. You can rock it to any African occasion. And ladies, the beautiful thing you should know about African hairstyles is that it is only Africans that have the privilege to rock any African hairstyle to anywhere, either official meeting, unofficial meeting. Then we have the African thread. Ladies, this is beautiful and common in my country, Nigeria, usually worn by the Yoruba people. This hairstyle, you just cover your hair in threads. It's a protective hairstyle. It also helps to naturally stretch your hair. And the next one is Zulu top knots. The Zulu top knot has evolved over the centuries. It started from the Zulu tribe of South Africa, and only members of the ruling class, I mean elegant women who are highly placed, were opportuned or privileged to rock the hairstyle. It speaks elegance, it speaks class, it speaks royalty. It's a symbol of status. Next one is Orca dreadlocks. Is it Orca or Okri or Otre? Wherever, but it's a dreadlocks. It's a hairstyle by Hema tribe of Ethiopia. They, in collaboration with the nomads in the Omo Valley, invented this traditional hairstyle. They called it Goshka, elegant and beautiful. The hairstyle is achieved by bonding raisins with water, sectioning their hair, and using the mixture to style their hair until the hair becomes locked. They also add colorful beaded jewelry. The seventh one, will I say seventh or eighth? If you add this, that will be the eighth one, the Heba dreadlocks. This originated from the Heba tribe in northern Namibia. For Hebas, dreadlocks symbolized age and life. It doesn't take time to make it, done in the shortest time. So teenagers or young girls who are not ready for marriage wear these to hang and cover their face. However, whenever a maiden is ready to get married, she moves them out of her face. So when next you are covering your face, you should know where that originated from. It simply implies that you're shy and not ready to be with a man. Ninth one is Ebamburu, popularly known as braided crowns. I'll place in the screen for you to see, worn by Beyonce one time. Ebamburu is an African traditional hairstyle. The curfew is impressively used to appreciate the culture of the skull, to appreciate the elongation of the skull. One of the ways you know an African woman is beautiful is the length of her face, which is by implication, if you have an elongated skull, your face will definitely align. So that is it about that. 10th one is the Ingala hairstyle. This is an African hairstyle native to the Igbo people of Nigeria. It symbolizes pride and elegance for women, worn during ceremonies such as festivals and traditional marriages and also coronation one. And they are very simple. All you need to do is just slick your hair backwards and make sure that the larger sum of your hair is packed backwards, and then you just use beads to decorate. And then finally for today, ladies, is the Sarawi cornrows. The Sarawi cornrows hairstyle is indigenous to the Sarawi people of North Africa. North Africans have curly hair. Their traditional hairstyles are few. Sometimes they even use beads to decorate them. So in conclusion, ladies, let me know which is your favorite African hairstyle. I'm going to be launching all of these hopefully, so you see how they look on me. And basically, because of today, because we were discussing about hairstyle, I had to make my hair with one of those, and I'm enjoying it. Let me know what you think about my afro in the comment section. And let me know which is your favorite among all that I've mentioned today. If you liked today's video, ensure to give it a huge thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly join in the fun. Hit the subscribe button. Ensure to turn on your post notifications so that anytime a new video goes up, you will be notified. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.